Hey guys, I just got a package from the Lazada. Can you guess what cube it is? This cube is only 4 ringgit and 90 cents on the Lazada. This cube is Moyu Meilong 3C 3x3 cube. I heard this is one of the best budget 3x3 cube. So let's unbox this cube. I love the glossy finish of this cube. The cube is 56mm on each side and have the same size with the Gen 356 RS. And this is the comparison with the RS3M 2020. My first turn is quite smooth, but it feels a little bit dry. As you can hear, it is a little bit dry, so I just put some lubes into this cube. This is the S1 Magic Speed Lube. The corner cutting of this cube is quite good. And here is my first solve by using this cube. In my opinion, I think this cube is very reasonable compared to its price. If you are a beginner, this cube is very suitable for you. And if you want to buy this cube, link in the description below. Thanks for watching.